Unit 2, editing a document. In this section we will be learning how to open a document and how to move around, use Word autocorrect feature, edit text in a document, use undo and redo command, search for and replace text. Open a document. For the opening of a document you have to go to File menu. From File menu select Open, and open. Here you have Browse and Art Place, this PC and much more. And the other side you have the document you have recently used, like today, yesterday or last week. In keyboard shortcut you can also use Ctrl+O. Open a new document, will be directed to the same place. Let's open browser. If you remember, last time we save a document in the folder on desktop. The folder was called Word. Let's open that Word, and here is the file we saved earlier. Next is navigating a document. For navigating a document we can either use keyboard or keyboard shortcuts to navigate the document, or mouse to do it. At the right hand side we have a scroll bar, so right click on the scroll bar and push it down or up where you want to navigate the document. Another option will be the keyboard option. In keyboard we have multiple buttons, arrow keys. You can use arrow keys to navigate between the document, up and down, left, right. So as per desire you press the arrow key and the cursor will move to that side, like you see. Next is navigating using page down or page up. By using page up or page down, so the cursor will move up or down by the amount of the page appear or the text appear on the screen. Other keys to navigate within documents are, for example, Home button and End button. With Home button the cursor will jump to the first of the line, the beginning of the line. With End button the cursor will jump to the last of the line. If you press Ctrl+End, the cursor will jump to the last of the document. When you press Ctrl+Home, it will jump to the beginning of the document. Next is Go To. In Go To, you see here at the right corner, it's called Find. Click Find and come down to Go To. Here in Go To you see, for example, page, section, line, and much more. You see pages highlighted. At the right of the box, here it's written enter page number. Whatever number you give here, the cursor will jump to that page, like 3, 2, and anything. Okay, when you put minus sign in front of anything, for example -1, it will jump by one page up. If you put plus sign, it will jump one page down. The keyboard shortcut for Go To is Ctrl+G. See, if we enter page 3, come here to the status bar, it shows page 3 of 3. Edit text in a document. There are lots of keyboard keys that we can use to edit text. For example, if we are removing something, we are bringing some changes, so your cursor is placed here. If you press Backspace, it will delete or remove whatever is written to the left of the cursor. If you press Delete, it will remove whatever is in the right of the cursor. If you want to remove a complete line, select it and press Delete. Here are two more commands called undo and redo. Undo means to remove the latest changes. Redo means to reverse the undo. For example, I remove the employee signature. Right here at the top, you see this is called undo. I am pressing the undo command and the employee signature come back. When I press the redo command, the undo will be reversed. The keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+Z and Ctrl+Y. Autocorrect features. Autocorrect feature, what it does, for example, you are writing a word misspell. Usually common error which comes in spelling will be automatically corrected. Example, I have written ABBOUT. When I press space, it becomes about. We'll remove one B. The same for ABOUTA, about, as I forget the space, so it's automatically added the space. Where to find this autocorrect option, go to Insert and Symbol. More symbol, Autocorrect. Here you select plain text. Now you give your word in replace. For example, I am giving MOHD. Replace MOHD with Muhammad. MUHAMMAD. So click Add. Your new autocorrect option is added. Please press OK. Close it. Now we are typing our shortcut or misspell MOHD. When we press space, it will be automatically corrected. Find and replace. Here you go to Home menu, Find. See at the left the navigation box appear. So you are searching a word here in your document. For example, you give you. It shows 13 results and all highlighted that you can find your desired one. Another thing, name. It finds 3 results that you can find your desired one, so you can click OK to go to the next one. Next is replace. When you press replace, find and replace box will appear. At the find box, it asks you what are you searching for. At the replace, it will ask you on what you want to replace that word. So you give a word you and replace with my. Now you can see everywhere you is replaced with my. Search this all thing in my, so it shows the 13 results earlier shown for the you. So to change our document back as it was earlier, so we have to press undo, or to understand more, we should find my and replace it with you. So press replace all, yes, OK, that it will replace all the changes earlier made.